Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a very quick video today. I have a grocery haul. It's a combined shop of Aldi and Tesco, and I thought I would show you guys what I have, but I hope you all enjoy it, and let's get started. So I'm going to do this bag at a time as normal, and again it's in no coherent order. I just want to make sure that the meat gets put away. So the first thing I have is a large roasting chicken. We also have some chicken breast mini fillets. I think there'll be more than one of those, so I will update you guys. But I also have a steak mince. This is just beef steak mince. We have a lamb mince, which is sometimes quite hard to find at Aldi, so I'm stoked that he managed to get that. Lamb chops. We have lamb chops very rarely, but I always really enjoy them, and I thought as a treat we will grab them. I also have a couple of mashed potatoes, ideal for quick lunches now that the school holidays have begun. Not that that matters with the fact that we've been off for forever. 2 micro meals, again for quick lunches, tuna pasta bakes. We also have some more of the chicken breast mini fillets, so I think we have 3 of those all together because we use them frequently for curries, marinating, Korean chicken, that kind of thing, so I always like to stock up. Pancetta, these are ideal for pizza toppings, we really like them. This is the unsmoked. I have 2 packs of tortellini here. I have the 4 cheese, 2 of those. Harrison really likes them. I love tortellini as well, but I don't have it very often. I asked Andrew to pick us up some fish. This is just some cod fillets that I'm going to kind of crispy up myself with panko breadcrumbs. I think that would be a nice dinner, fish and chips one evening. I've been really enjoying chip shop fish and chips at the moment, and it's not the best for me, so I thought I'd make my own. I have 2 packs of bacon, one of which I'm going to be having today for my lunch, not all of it of course. 3 packs of minion ham. Layla really enjoys these on sandwiches. I have some chicken nuggets, although I do prefer the Tesco ones, so we got these just in case, but I do have some coming on my shop for tomorrow, so hopefully they will arrive and there'll be no substitutions. I have 2 blocks of butter. This is for baking. I use it for buttercream, I use it for lemon drizzle and that kind of thing. And then the final thing I have is the reduced fat pork sausages. Andrew, Layla and I love these, and you cannot tell the difference between these and the full fat, so I would definitely recommend them because they taste good, especially if you have them with caramelized red onion. Okay, so bag number 2, we have some eggs here, just the free range eggs. I think this might be the fruit and veg bag as well, but we do have a chocolate cake in there and also some microfiber cloths that we needed, so I'll just pop those there. Okay, so we have a nice big bag of spinach, we have some raspberries and some blackberries. I cannot go supermarket shopping without picking up all the berries. I love them. We also have some red grapes here that Layla, Andrew and I really enjoy. We have 2 types of onions. I've got my brown onion and also we have red onion as well. I like to have a combination of both because I think that they have different flavours and I just like to have both in. So that's why I bought both of those. I also have 2 aubergines that I plan to make recipes out of this coming week. So I'm happy to have those. We have a cucumber, we have some lemons. I normally prefer to get my lemons from Tesco because I like to pick them, but I wasn't in there today, so Andrew just got the Aldi ones. We also have some bananas, we have some tomatoes, just salad tomatoes, we have some peppers. Again, you'll never find a green pepper in our kitchen, so we have those. We have some fresh ginger, some fresh coriander, some fresh chilies. They're just a mixed bag that you can get from Aldi. They don't look as good as the Tesco ones though, so I will get Tesco's from now on. We also have some mushrooms here, some jazz apples. These are just like the pinky green apples. We also have a big bag of carrots, and also we have some ginger. Not ginger, sorry, some garlic. Bag number 3, we have some sausage rolls. We also have some fat-free or reduced fat garlic bread. The regular garlic bread for the kids. I honestly can't tell the difference, and neither can the kids, but I don't like to get them fat-free. So we have 4 jars of this quick pasta sauce, which again is ideal for the kids when they fancy a bit of pasta. So I get 4 of those. I get 2 of the pepper and tomato and 2 of the mascarpone. We have some hot dogs there, some double cream that I use to whip up for hot chocolate for the kids, a tube of tomato puree and a bottle of lemonade. Then we have some tuna, some apple juice, some caster sugar, some plain flour, which is now starting to filter its way back through, but I have a feeling now lockdown is probably going to be reoccurring. That might be quite hard to get, so I thought I'd grab it. 2 jars of chicken paste, a bottle of vegetable oil, the bottle of squirty cream, some butter. This is the reduced fat butter or the lighter, and we have 2 family size juice cartons, and they're the orange flavour. This is the last bag from Aldi, so I'll quickly whiz through this. We have some lighter creme fraiche. I use this for cheese and onion pie filling. We have some milk chocolate digestive biscuits, 2 packs of those. We have some bourbon biscuits as well. Some cartons of passata. Honestly, we go through passata in this house so quickly. Some all-purpose seasoning. I think this is the treats bag because there are some randoms in here. Maltesers, Manuels, or whatever they're called. I don't really eat any of that stuff. I like Maltesers, but I do like twirls though. So we have some twirls. We have some bourbon biscuits, Haribo sweets. Honestly, guys, we don't give the kids, you know, free reign of this stuff. We ration them, and we, you know, don't let them go crazy on it. Demerara sugar. This is great for berries, coffee. I just like it with everything. I have some icing sugar, another bottle of olive oil. I use this to, you know, do the kids' chicken nuggets, the fish, that kind of thing. A few tins of chopped tomatoes. We have 3 of those. 2 packs of shelled pasta, which is a must in this house. And then without having to empty this bag, we have 3 cartons of the lactose-free milk, and we have 3 cartons of the family, not the family, sorry, the regular sized apple juice as well. And moving on to Tesco stuff, we have 2 packs of the deli ham, which is for me. We have 2 packs of the lactose-free cheese for Andrew. We have 3 packets of the fries to go. The kids are obsessed with these. Harrison isn't a big chips person, but these are the only French fries that I can manage to get him to eat, and they go in the microwave, so they're really handy for lunches, especially at the moment when we're at home. I have some fat-free honey yogurt, which I get from Tesco. I really enjoy that. It's really nice. 2 packs of the lactose-free butter. We have some grey cheese, some fresh rosemary as well. We also have some cocktail sausages for Layla. We have some vanilla ice cream, 4 packs of baby wipes, and then I'm going to move on to the final bag from Tesco. So I'm just going to move this stuff out of the way. We have 2 packs of the Munch Bunch yogurts. We have a fresh baguette. I love having fresh bread. Oh my god, it makes me so excited, so I'm stoked to have that. Layla needed a toothbrush, so she has this electric toothbrush. We have a rustler here. This is just like a knockoff McDonald's for Andy, so he enjoys those. We have a Warburton's loaf, and then finally my loaf of bread, which was actually reduced, and it is the sliced tiger tail, which is one of my favorites. I'm going to have this now with some bacon, some scrambled eggs and spinach, and it's going to be delicious. And that's everything, guys. So quite a decent shop there. We do have about £60 of stuff arriving tomorrow, so that needs to be added to the Tesco total to give you guys a full representation of what we spent. But in Aldi we spent a total of £108.30, which for that much food I think you can't really go wrong with. And then so far in Tesco, if everything stays in our basket as it is, we will have spent £99 in Tesco, so £200 altogether. Which may sound like a lot, but actually in reality we've not done a big shop in about 2 weeks now, so it's like £100 a week, which is way less than we would normally spend anyways. We have been doing little top-ups in between, and we have had a few takeaways in and amongst there as well, but I think that's a fantastic shop for the amount of food that we got. So thank you guys so much for watching. And also you have to consider we got quite a big pack of laundry detergent as well. We bought that in bulk, which is quite pricey. But yes, I hope you've all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you have, to see more grocery hauls from me, and I'll see you in my next one.